हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम लोग रेबीज वायरस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। रेबीज वायरस की जो फैमिली है वो रेप्टोवायरिडी, जेनस लाइजा वायरस, लीजा वायरस। मॉर्फोलॉजी की बात करें, इट इज अ बुलेट शेप, साइज है 76 into 175 नैनोमीटर, न्यूक्लियोकैप्सिड, इट इज हेलिकल सिमेट्री, contains single stranded RNA, nucleoprotein is present, large and non-structural protein, large and non-structural protein contain RNA dependent RNA polymerase. Street virus. It is a freshly isolated virus from natural human or animal infection. It produces fatal encephalitis. Incubation period of street virus is 21 to 60 days. Negri bodies present. Now, second is the fixed virus that do not grow in extraneural tissue. Incubation period is 4 to 6 days. Negri bodies are absent. These are the two different types of virus. Now, antigenic properties. Single stereotype but different strain. At least 7 antigenic variants of rabies virus are there. Envelope glycoprotein. Their envelope made up of glycoprotein. Pathogenesis. The source of infection is dog infected by wild animal or infected unvaccinated dog. Mode of transmission by the bite of dog or animal bite. Incubation period 1 to 3 months. Man is frequently infected from rabies virus. So, dog saliva that contain rabies virus get deposited in wound after the dog bites. If a wound is not cleaned, infection may proceed in about half of such case. Now, virus replicate in the muscle cells. Now, virus get enters into the peripheral nerve. Now, this virus replicates in dorsal ganglion, rapid ascent toward spinal cord. Now, after it reaches the spinal cord, it infects the spinal cord, brainstem, cerebrum. Now, infection descend via nervous system to eye, salivary gland, and other organs. This is the mode of transmission of rabies virus. Clinical manifestation. Subclinical disease not known to occur in human. Clinical disease are prodromal, 1 to 10 days, headache, malaise, low grade fever, anxiety, sore throat. These are the clinical manifestations. Second is acute neuralgia phase, encephalitis rabies, nervousness, hallucination, acrophobia, hydrophobia. Occurs in 80% of patients. Prophylaxis. Pre-exposure prophylaxis, post-exposure prophylaxis. Pre-exposure prophylaxis for people who handle potentially infected animals. So, 2 intradermal injection of 0.1 milliliter human diploid culture vaccine are given at 4 weeks interval to those who handle infected animals. Yearly boosters are given. Now, in post-exposure prophylaxis for wound, gently clean with water and soap, disinfection with quaternary ammonium detergent, tincture, iodine, or alcohol. Now, the vaccination, 1 milliliter of cell culture vaccine should be given intramuscularly on days 0, 3, 7, 14, 30, with booster dose on day 90. The complication are brain infection, cardiac failure, coma, death, respiratory failure. Thank you. That's all about rabies virus. Have a nice day.